Do you want to mute notes on Instagram? You can mute someone notes on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to mute notes on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To mute someone's notes on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right corner of your feed to open your direct messages. Here, you will see all your friends' chat lists and notes. At the top of the chat list, you'll see the notes section where you can find your friends' current notes. To mute someone's future notes, long press and hold on to the note from the person you want to mute. Now, a pop-up menu will appear with various options. From the available options, tap on Mute Notes. Again, a new confirmation screen will appear. From here, select Mute Notes. Once you mute someone's notes, you will no longer see notes from that person at the top of your chat list.